Hi, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de, and over here at the Mobile World Congress 2018, Huawei is not showing a smartphone, they're showing two tablets. It is the Huawei MediaPad M5 in 8.4 and 10.8 inch, and we just had a look at it. So let's start with the 8.4 inch tablet. The resolution is 2560 by 1600 pixels, and the display is protected by 2.5D glass. As a processor, you get the Huawei Kirin 960 octa-core with the Mali G71 MP8 GPU. The 10.8 inch tablet has the same resolution, but gets the Kirin 960S octa-core. The operating system is Android 8 Oreo, together with the EMUI 8 user interface that we already know from Huawei. The system gets 4 gigs of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage that you can also of course expand with a micro SD card up to 256 GB. The main camera at the back has 13 megapixels in autofocus, and the front camera has 8 megapixels. We have stereo speakers built in that are Harman Kardon certified. The 8-inch tab has 2 speakers, the 10-inch tab has 4 speakers. Let's talk about the battery. The 8-inch version has 5100 mAh and the 10-inch version has a 7500 mAh battery, which will bring you really good through the day. From the connectivity, you have Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN-AC with 2.4 and 5 GHz, Bluetooth 4.2 and USB-C. There will be also a Pro version, that's the Huawei MediaPad M5 Pro, also with 10.8 inch, that has a special display that you can use with a stylus to make some notes or to draw something. The MediaPad M5 will be available at end of March, and the MediaPad M5 Pro will be available approximately beginning of April. And if you have any questions about these two tablets, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.